A credit inquiry removal letter is used to alert the credit bureau of an unauthorized inquiry and request that it be removed. So, if you want to remove an unauthorized credit inquiry from Equifax, you are in the right place. Please follow the link in the description to open the document form. Begin with your first and last name at the top, an example John Doe. Next, enter your current address, the same address as mentioned in your ID or driver license. Address line 1, 123 Example Street, Unit 1. Address line 2, New York, NY. 123456. Choose your document date. Then, input the name of the company making the inquiry, example company LLC. And the date of inquiry, let's say the 1st of January 2019. Please scroll the page down. Under the text, sincerely, need to enter your first and last name again, John Doe. Tap to the signature and sign the form. Now, you need to provide copies of 2 forms of identification. Upload your ID or driver license copy to the document left side and your social security card to the right side. Good job, your document is ready. Check your personal information one more time, and click to the Buy button. Proceed with the payment to download and print out the document from your computer. Finally, send the letter by USPS certified mail. Certified mail is best because it guarantees that the company receives it. That way, they can't say they didn't get your letter. But, if you are busy and don't have time to drive to the post office, we can do it for you. Please resend your document to email usps@idispute.org, and we'll handle all the legwork for you in a quick and convenient manner. No need to buy print paper, no need to print a document, no need to buy an envelope, no need to drive to the post office, no need to stay in the line. We will mail your document and send the USPS tracking number to your email within 24 hours. Important. You can keep a document copy on your computer, but it's better to keep a hard copy of the one you sign and send. Always keep a copy of the document, certified mail receipt, payment receipt, so you have a record. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Looking for a particular document form, kindly leave a comment below, and we will consider your request. Thanks for watching.